Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. Looks like it's a season of S upgrades. Yes, we have one more S upgrade today, and it is the Samsung Galaxy M30s, which is a follow-up to the Galaxy M30. Now this smartphone comes with a bunch of new upgrades and we'll talk about them in a bit. But first, let's quickly unbox this. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Now let's get started. This is the box of the Galaxy M30s. The phone's name is mentioned on the side as well. Turning the box around, there are some key specifications listed, so let's quickly go ahead and check what all contents do we get inside. And the first thing we get is the phone itself, neatly wrapped in plastic. Let's remove it and boot up the device. So the volume and power buttons are situated on the right. The bottom houses a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a single speaker grill and a microphone. The left side has the SIM tray and finally a single microphone at the top. We have the sapphire blue color of the Galaxy M30s. The phone also comes in opal black and pearl white color options. Now let's keep the device on the side for a moment and check what else do we get in the box. So there's a charging brick and a USB Type-C cable. Over here there's a sleeve as well. In this you get the SIM eject tool and inside it is your usual set of documents. So this is your quick look at everything that comes inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy M30s. The Samsung Galaxy M30s comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display at the front. The notch up top houses a 16-megapixel front camera. There's a capacitive fingerprint sensor present at the back for authentication. The Galaxy M30s is powered by an Exynos 9611 SoC. The phone comes in two configurations, one with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and the other with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is expandable up to 512GB through a microSD card. There's a huge 6000 mAh battery packed under the hood that comes with 15-watt fast charging support. In terms of software, the smartphone runs on One UI 1.5 based on Android 9 Pie. In terms of cameras, there's a triple lens setup at the back. The main camera is a 48 megapixel with an aperture of f2.0. This is coupled with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture and a 5 megapixel depth camera with an f2.2 aperture. And that was our unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy M30s. Expect a full review coming out very soon, so stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.